ड्युअल सिटीझनशिपाचो वाद गोंयांत नेट धरपाक लागला। ग्लोबल गोवन असोसिएशनान 2 नागरिकत्वाची मागणी नव्यान सुरू केल्ली संस्था ही राजकीय वा धार्मिक संघटना न्हय अशें ठामपणान सांगला। गोंयकारांक आपल्या हक्का खातीर झुजपाक एकाच पांख्यातळा हाडपाचें तांणी उतर दिला। मजगती ह्या विशयाचेर भिवपाची गरज ना अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगला।
I'd like you to say your famous words to us as UK Goans or Global Goans or OCI passport holders or Portuguese passport holders that Amka Bhivpachi Garaz na. Come on everyone. Thank you.
Okay, anyhow, on the request of OCI Global Goan Association, या सगळ्या जाणांक भिवपाची गरज ना।
See, we were waiting for this great day to have official launch. We registered in May 2010, 10th May 2023 actually, and we had a soft opening in Qatar, but we were waiting to have a real launch after having all the administrative processes complete. So most of the things we just got it completed last month, and we decided to launch it here. In front of our own people, in our own land, and that's the reason we decided to launch it in Goa. And our mission, it's all on the website. You'll go www.globalgoanassociation.com. You will find each and every detail there, and please join, be a member, bank details, everything. We made very simplified thing, people to join, and we need people's support. This is a people's movement, and this association belongs to the people, belongs to the Goans and the global Goans.
आयच्या घडीक ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस उलयता आसतना वेगवेगळे विशय सांगल्यात। त्यांनी फक्त सब्जेक्ट ओपन केला। ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप हो विषय गव्हर्मेंटाक इंडिया कडेन आसा, तांच्यांनी डिमांड केला। ओके, तेच्या खातीर आतां तांच्यांनी जो कितें डिमांड केला पळय न्ही, ओके, एनी हांव तेची रिक्वेस्ट आसा, विल सी।
देयर इज अ लँग्वेज इश्यू। हांव मुद्दम उलयता कोंकणी। 14 डिसेंबर आमचो पाय तियात्रीसान हें केलें, हांवें ताका 150 वर्सां जाता पाय तियात्रीस। त्या 150 वर्सां पाय तियात्रीसान गोंय सांबाळटाना कितलो त्रास भोगलो आसतलो। ती कोंकणी जिती धरपाक लागून तो कसो सायकलीन भोंवला काय बसीन भोंवला काय कित्याक भोंवला कोणाक खबर ना। आनी ते तियात्राच्या माचयेचें आसतलें तर ते लँग्वेजीक लागून आसतलें, ताणें गोंय सांबाळून दवरपाचो प्रयत्न केलो। आयज आमी तेंच उलयतात। लिझबोनाची तियात्र आसतली आनी कितें आमी कातरां आसतली त्या हातूंतल्यान। सो खंय तरी आमकां खंय तरी दिसपाक जाय ती हळू ही लँग्वेज काबार ती सांबाळपाक जाय म्हणून दिसपाक जाय काय नाका। सो ह्या फोरमाच्या हातूंतल्यान हांव ओपन फोरमांतल्यान इतलेंच मागता की आमी हें सगळें आसा तें सांबाळून दवरपाक लागून हे जर बारीक बारीक इश्यूज आसा ते सुद्दां मुखार व्हरुया, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे परत आशिल्ले तशें एकठांय येतले।
In this context, we had taken a decision few days back that we will move a resolution in the House to request the government of Goa to forward this resolution to the government of India for consideration of dual nationality, which will be in interest of people who have suffered this situation unwillingly, unknowingly, and fallen in this kind of what I call a trap, and thus lost their nationality, lost the citizenship of India, having left themselves in this I would say foxed out situation because they just registered.
Non-resident Goan corporation, and at that time the figures which I had, because I was the Labour Minister also, was around 2.5 lakh Goans were in the Gulf. Another 2.5 lakhs of Goan were there all over the world. There are around 5 lakh. Today the number might have gone higher.
Goa365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।